Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Chapter 105. Surah Al-Fil, the elephant. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did he not foil their strategy and send against them flocks of birds, which pelted them with clay stones? Thus he made them like stubble, cropped by cattle. End of verse 5. Surah Al Fil, the elephant.